Hello everyone, welcome back to Usermaven. Today we're back with another tutorial, and in this video, we'll show you how to create and analyze a retention analysis report to understand how well your users keep coming back after completing a key action. Let's get started. First, head over to your dashboard, and from the sidebar, open the retention section. Here, click on the plus icon to create a new retention analysis from scratch. Now you'll start by entering a name for your report. In this example, we're creating a report called Plan Upgrade Retention. You can also add a description if needed. Here we'll add upgraded users retention. Next, select the period type. This determines how retention is measured over time. You can choose between daily, weekly, or monthly cohorts depending on your use case. For this example, we're selecting week to analyze user retention week by week. Now select a folder where you'd like to save this retention report. Folders help you organize multiple retention analyses for different teams or use cases. After that, choose the analysis level. You can analyze retention either at the user level or company level. User level analysis tracks individual users, while company level analysis measures retention across accounts or organizations. You'll also see the option to include visitors. Enabling this includes anonymous visitors in your user level retention analysis, giving you a broader view of engagement. Next, move down to the event configuration section. Here, you'll define the start event, which represents the action that places users into a cohort. You can select different event types such as page URL, custom event, or pinned event. In this example, we're selecting the custom event Plan Upgraded has been performed. This means every user who upgrades their plan becomes part of the retention cohort. Now, define the return event. This determines what action counts as a returning user. Again, you can choose from page URLs, custom events, or pinned events. Here, we're selecting the custom event logged in has been performed. So, if users return and log in during future periods, they'll be counted as retained users. Next, head over to the retention configuration section. Here, you'll select the retention type. You can choose first time, which counts users only the first time they return. Recurring, which measures repeated engagement. You can choose exactly on, meaning users must return in the exact selected period, or on or after, which counts users returning anytime after that period. Now set the max periods value. This determines how many periods Usermaven should analyze for retention trends. For example, setting it to 12 will analyze retention across 12 weeks or months, depending on your selected period type. Finally, under Display Options, choose how you want averages to be calculated. You can select Simple Mean, which gives equal importance to each cohort, or Weighted Mean, which gives larger cohorts more influence in the overall average. Once everything is configured, click Save or Create to generate your retention report. Now your retention analysis is ready. At the top, you'll see an overview including total cohorts, total users, average retention for the first period, and average retention for the latest period. Below that, you'll find the retention chart. This visualizes how different cohorts retain over time. Each line represents users who started during the same period, helping you quickly identify trends, drop-offs, and high retention cohorts. This is especially useful for understanding whether product updates improved retention, how onboarding impacts engagement, or which acquisition channels bring more loyal users. You can also filter your analysis using segments or apply breakdowns by company or user attributes to compare retention across different user groups. Further down, you'll find the retention table. This gives you a detailed cohort-by-cohort breakdown with retention percentages for every period. The color intensity helps you quickly identify strong or weak retention patterns. Using this table, you can identify where users drop off, compare cohort performance, measure long-term engagement, and optimize product experiences based on retention behavior. And that's how you create and analyze a retention report in Usermaven. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.